Hi guys, it's Kees, wouter from the Midnight Garage, and we've got ourselves a brand new toy. So you guys might remember the 24-hour drift project that we did with an awesome Volvo. Back then I thought, wow, I need to have this for myself, and that idea went horribly wrong.
And as you guys may remember, I also had a drift Lexus, but I sold it to buy my Skyline. But I miss drifting really bad.
Yeah, we both miss drifting, so we both got the itch back. And then our old friend Koen was like, hey, you guys want to buy this awesome turbo Volvo? And we were like,
sure, why not?
Sure, why not? So now we got a turbo Volvo. So the minor maintenance is done. Let's take a quick walk around the car to tell a little bit about it. So it's the same model as that we previously had in a 24-hour drift project. It's a 2.3 liter low pressure turbo. Of course we're gonna increase the boost. I already installed a boost gauge. We're gonna lower it by cutting the springs, of course. We're going to look for some awesome new rims. The interior is going to be deleted except in the front seats. So the panels and everything behind the front seats, that's gotta go. But we're gonna leave it in for just a little bit more because this one has a cool feature. Check this out. This is actually a 7-seater. So we're gonna have some fun drifting with 7 people in that first. So yeah, of course we're going to kind of straight pipe it. I have some awesome valve for that. And we're also going to wrap it in, well, something that people will notice. So yesterday we got the car through its annual inspection, and today Wouter is going to work on his Skyline, and I'll be doing some general maintenance on the car. Oil change, oil filter, maybe replace a belt and whatnot, usual stuff, just to make sure that this project is in the best optimal shape before we put the beading on it.
Well guys, as you're seeing right now, we are working on the wrap and it looks pretty good, right? Let me walk around it real quick. There's Kees. Hello Kees. This is how far we are right now. Looks pretty good, right? But guess again, because this type of wrap really can't be stretched. So if you look real close up on it, you can see that it doesn't work all that well. You can't stretch it if you heat it up like a regular wrap. Like if you look here, you can see it's not that nice. So I really cannot recommend this wrap if you are planning to build your own car. But for a fun project and for something as stupid as this Volvo, it's good enough. So while we are wrapping, Sanne decided to show up. Hello Sanne. And she is tinting the windows, and we are once again going with limo black. So you get a nice contrast of bright gold and limo black. So I was just wrapping this piece of the door, and then Sanne showed up and she grabbed a bit of this leftover foil and she started wrapping her vape. Very nice, Sanne, very swag, at least 10 out of 10. And then we have Kees right here, and he wrapped his tuna can.
Tuna!
Very nice, Kees. Right now Sanne is painting the A, B and C pillars on the doors. Kees is drinking wine. 9:44 a.m. right now. We are gonna call it quits for today. The wrap is almost done, but we still need to do a couple of things, mainly the bottom side of the bumpers. And yeah, we got a lot of things to do in the next week, so we're just going to pick this project up later. Also, shout outs to the öffningscar decal. We got that for Kees during our Sweden road trip, as you guys might remember. It was a lot of fun. Links in the description.
So as you guys would expect from me, I'm going to professionally lower the car with an angle grinder. Oh, that's low. Oh my god. We have no clearance, like none. So right now I'm trying to detach the gearbox because I'm going to install a new clutch. This one is pretty worn out. And it's kind of a piece of job. Well, I don't have the right tools, so that makes it, I guess. But, oh well.
We just made the wheels black because that will match the black tinted windows, and we've made the brake calipers gold because that matches, well, everything else.
Started. I'm so far from where I wanna be. At least you can go home and hide. You know you're gonna see like the energy I'm selling, and you telling is a runner that I'm hot like the element chakra effect. Evident ever since evidence, and people see I'm the president. Words looking so elegant, go television.